Hello friends, welcome to my channel Telugu Trade. Today I am going to give you a brief technical analysis on Aditya Birla Capital. Guys, I find this share to be one of the best performing shares in the upcoming years. Coming to the current market price of Aditya Birla, it is at 51.20 as on today closing. And the market capitalization of Aditya Birla Capital Limited is 12,358.56 crore and the return on equity is 9.91%. Coming to the 52-week high, it is 112.25 and 52-week low is 40.05. The chairman of Aditya Birla Capital Limited is Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla. This slide contains some basic information about Aditya Birla Capital Limited. The current market price is 51.20. Aditya Birla Capital Limited is the holding company for the financial services business of the Aditya Birla Group. So, Aditya Birla Capital Limited basically takes care of the financial services business of the Aditya Birla Group. As you all know, Aditya Birla Group also have various other businesses. Aditya Birla Capital Limited subsidiaries have a strong presence across protecting, investing and financial solutions. Aditya Birla Capital Limited is a universal financial solutions group catering to diverse needs of its customer across their life stages. So powered by more than 20,000 employees, the subsidiaries of Aditya Birla Capital Limited have a nationwide reach with 850 branches and more than 2 lakh agents or channel partners and several bank partners. So it is giving about the strength of the Aditya Birla Capital Limited. It has more than 20,000 employees and the subsidiaries of Aditya Birla Capital have more than 850 plus branches presence and 2 lakh agents which directly or indirectly cater to the Aditya Birla Capital Limited. So as on 31st 2019, Aditya Birla Capital Limited manages aggregate asset under management over 3,000 billion and has a consolidated lending book of 601 billion through its subsidiaries and joint ventures. So if you see the book of the Aditya Birla Capital Limited, it is very strong at 3,000 billion and has a consolidated lending book of 601 billion. Billion is 100 crore. Aditya Birla Capital Limited is a part of the Aditya Birla Group. As I told you previously, a US $48.3 billion Indian multinational in the league of Fortune 500. So Aditya Birla Capital Limited is in the Fortune 500 companies anchored by an extraordinary force of over 1,20,000 employees belonging to 42 nationalities. The Aditya Birla Group operates in 36 countries across the globe. So Aditya Birla Group operates in 36 countries across the globe. So coming to business area of the company is engaged across life insurance, asset management, NBFC, infrastructure project and structured finance, private equity, broking, wealth management and distribution, online money management and general insurance advisory services. So if you see Aditya Birla Capital Limited is into various businesses, so various diversified businesses like life insurance, asset management, NBFC, project funding and structured finance, private equity, broking, wealth management and distribution. So that is what has been tabulated in this table. So protecting, it offers various life insurance services, health insurance, motor insurance, corporate general insurance and travel insurance. Coming to the investing, it takes care of mutual funds, wealth management, stocks and securities, private equity, portfolio management services, real estate investments and pension funds. Coming to the finances, they lend into home loans, personal finance, SME finance, real estate finance, loan against shares, corporate finance, debt capital market and loan syndication. Coming to the advising, they are into My Universe, Aditya Birla Capital Money for Life Planner. There's a brief introduction about Aditya Birla Capital Limited. So this is the daily chart of Aditya Birla Capital. So what's in the chart for us now? If you see, the stock has taken a multi-month or multi-week support close to 37 to 38 levels. So if someone who wants to invest in Aditya Birla Capital Limited for long-term returns, if he is entering as on today, he has to maintain a strict stop loss at either 41.68 or 37.47. Once it breaks this level, he has to exit because the strong the stock has a potential of even going further down if it breaks this levels of 41.68 and 37.47. So I believe this 41.68 will be a major support, followed by 37.47 as a next major support. If you see, there's a breakout of the stock, and the stock is currently trading at 51.20. Going forward, I see resistance at 56.33 followed by 65.20. Once this stock crosses 65.20, the next target that you will see is 73.28 followed by 75.33. Suppose if the stock has even crossed the 75.33, the next target you will be seeing is 83 to 84 levels. I feel even if you invest in this stock with a strict stop loss of 41 or 42 levels, you can easily get another 25 to 30 or 40% return in the next 3 to 6 months. If someone is looking for 5 to 10% trade, he can get in the next 7 to 10 working days or 10 trading days. If you see, the stock is beautifully supported by RSI at 62.39 level, which is a trending zone, which means that more investors are investing into this stock, and there is a momentum in the stock to go upside. The daily volumes of the stock also have increased in the last 4 to 5 days since the lockdown is lifted in India, and they are back to the normal course of business. If you see the DMI, the positive DMI is rising at 34, which is indicating that there is a strong stock, there's a strong support in the stock, and it has a tendency or a potential to go upside. Thank you all for watching my video. If you find this video is really useful and helpful to you, please like my channel and subscribe to my channel so that it gives me a lot of motivation to give more and more information and to do more and more videos in the coming days. Thank you all.